Hey, what's up? It's Megan Luna. Today I am cleaning out my closet because we're moving soon, so I want to try to decrease the amount of clothing that I have so I have less to move with me into the new place. This big chunk is everything that I've gone through and have decided to give another chance at life, or it's just kind of newer, so I don't want to get rid of it quite yet. And then this is a little pile of stuff that I've chosen to get rid of. And then I have another pile, but it's up there, so I'm not gonna stand up. So I'm just gonna kind of have you sit with me while I go through some of the stuff and decide if it deserves another chance. Basic tee from Victoria's Secret. I always have a hard time deciding whether or not to get rid of these because these come in handy in the winter, I feel like, if I want to wear a sweatshirt over them and then like tie it around my waist if it gets a little warmer in the afternoon, because that's how it is here in Arizona. I think I will give this one another chance, for this year at least. And then ones that have like the name of towns or just have like a specific memory associated with them, I have a really hard time getting rid of because I'm a very sentimental person, and this specific shirt was a gift from my parents, so not getting rid of that. This one is a basic white shirt from Victoria's Secret again, and has a little like cheetah print detail pocket. I don't remember wearing this one too much last winter, but I think I'm running out of white basic tees because I keep staining them, so I might have to keep this one. If I wasn't such a messy person and stained all my other cute white shirts. Can't get rid of this one because my husband is a Dallas Cowboys fan, so if there's ever a game, I have to wear this to support. Well, it's kind of my husband, it's more my father-in-law who I have to support with the football. Definitely not getting rid of this. I got this a couple years ago at a Diamondbacks game, and it was really cheap on sale, and I was very excited to wear it to like the next game, but I haven't been back to a game since, so I haven't had a chance to wear this. So I'm keeping it so I can actually wear it to a game someday. This is a little black and white striped crop top. I've had it for a while now. It's really cute in the fall. I'm not like in love with it anymore. I'm just not sure. This is so hard. I look like a crazy person with my hair all. Clearly, I don't care what I look like. I think I'm gonna part with it. Get it out of my sight before I change my mind. Okay, this shirt I think is so cute. It's like flowy, kind of distressed denim look. It crosses over on the front, and it's just really pretty with a little bralette and some jeans and sandals. It's very like beachy vibe. I think it's from Hollister, which is probably why. Yep. Keeping that. Okay. There's no way I'm getting rid of this one. This, wow, the lighting is so bad in here because this is like a peachy color with a rose gold Disney on the front and back. Got it when I went on my Disneyland trip for my bachelorette party. I can't wait for winter because I wear this like once a week at least. At least since I've gotten it. This one is brand new, so I'm not getting rid of it. It's really cute. Little turtleneck, long sleeve. I'm not gonna wear it in the summer, but I just haven't been able to put it away into a winter box yet. When it's on, it reminds me a lot of, Rachel from Friends. It has that kind of vibe. And I'm keeping my two flannels. I have this color and this color. And scarves. I don't really wear scarves that much. I mean, you don't really get the opportunity in Arizona. Like, I don't even know if I want any of these scarves. I think I'll keep 2 like basic ones and then get rid of the other ones. This one I've had for a while and I wore it quite a lot when I first got it, but I just don't see myself wearing it anymore. And then this like mint color, don't see myself wearing that. So the 2 that I'm keeping is like this kind of reddish orangish color. I think it'll be nice in like the fall winter time. And then this one is just a cream on 2 dresses. I dropped there. Standing up now and facing you this way. Dress I wore for my college graduation, off the shoulder, black and like rose gold sparkles, lace detailed. It was really cute and fun for graduation. Not sure if I'll ever wear it again, but it's still new, so I don't want to get rid of it when it's new, because then I feel bad. I don't think I'll ever get rid of this one. It's like a mossy green, very soft dress, kind of crisscross on the bottom, just very fit to the body and flattering. Excuse my face. I don't have very many formal dresses, so I don't really need to slim down on those. This is the dress I wore at my bridal shower, so I think I'm going to keep it more for sentimental value. It is really cute, so I might actually wear that again too. This front one that's like purpley and wraps around your neck, probably going to get rid of. It's cute, but I've worn it a lot in my life. But this back one I'm definitely keeping. I got it from H&M like years and years ago and I'm still in love with it. But yeah, this is the dress that I'm getting rid of. Not in love anymore. I still think this little number is cute. It's like floral embroidered at the top. And just a navy blue color. It's actually a romper. It's just really fun to dress up or wear on a summer day. This I just got last summer for a wedding, and I've worn it I think one other time, but it's really cute and flattering. From Urban Outfitters. I wore this to my rehearsal dinner. It looks weird when it's on a hanger and not on a body, but it has like a straight neck, kind of spaghetti straps, and then those things on the side tie in the back, and it's like an open back with a giant bow. It's just very cute. This is like a little greenish colored dress with a little bit of an open back. I still really love this dress and I wear it a lot in the summer. This pink one is very, very similar to that dress, just no open back. But I've had it for a while and I think I'm gonna part with it. Love this dress still. I think I just got it last summer. It is an off the shoulder kind of like crinkle top. Just very flowy and pretty for summer and spring. This kind of like emerald shade dress. It's very cozy. The slits on the sides go really high, so it's a fun peekaboo dress, so I'm gonna keep that. Now this one I'm not sure about because I've had it for a long time. I've worn it a lot. It's just one of those dresses where you don't have to wear a bra or anything. It's easy to slip on in the summer. But I think I'm gonna part with it. I hate getting rid of clothes. This is a flattering angle. Goodbye. This one I got 2 summers ago for a wedding. I think it's really cute still. I think I'll hang on to it. Just work clothes. Okay, this pair of work pants I can get rid of because I tried them on recently and they did not want to buckle. I love both of my jean jackets. And that's pretty much it in the closet. That is the pile of donation clothing.
Bye-bye.
Might look like a small amount of tops that I'm keeping. But I have another drawer that has t-shirts in it that I will need to go through and get rid of some. And then I have a bunch of winter clothes in storage, so my clothes are just kind of never ending. It's like no matter how many times I get rid of stuff and give it to donation, it just seems like it never goes down in size. So anybody else have that struggle, or is it just me? I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you. Bye.